All right, we've got some breaking news for you at the top of a new hour. Fox News alert: the Russian attorney involved in the 2016 Trump Tower meeting has now been charged by prosecutors in New York with obstruction of justice in connection with civil money laundering and forfeiture action. Manhattan U.S. Attorney Jeffrey S. Berman is saying, quote, fabricating evidence, submitting false and deceptive declarations to a federal judge in an attempt to affect the outcome of pending litigation not only undermines the integrity of the judicial process, but it threatens the ability of our courts and our government to ensure that justice is done. We're going to have a lot more for you on this when we get it. Again, this is the Russian attorney who met with the Trump campaign at Trump Tower back in June 2016. Natalia Veselnitskaya, you'll remember that name. That's who we're talking about here. And this was just put out. As we get more information, we'll bring it to you, unless you have anything to add here, Hemmer.
I would just add that we know some of the players who are in that meeting, and we know that this is something that Bob Mueller's been looking at. What comes of it, we do not know. And how we're to interpret this news is something that's, at the moment, it's anybody's guess. But we were led to believe that part of the meeting there was to debate this law about adopting children from Russia. And whether or not it went beyond that is something we don't know. But this is the part of what Bob Mueller has been examining. And when you think about the grand jury of last Friday, that was just extended for another 6 months. It was set to expire on the 6th of January. But after the 6-month extension was granted, we know that we're going to get the possibility, I emphasize possibility, of more indictments sometime between now and, let's say, June of this year.
The U.S. Attorney's Office saying that Veselnitskaya submitted to the U.S. District Court for the Southern District of New York an intentionally misleading declaration in opposition to a government motion. Her declaration presented supposed investigative findings by the Russian government, findings purportedly exonerating Veselnitskaya's clients. It goes on. So we are just getting this information. We will continue to bring you the breaking news on this as we get it.